Every text that you read, every text, is put together in some type of structure, just like your house or our school building is put together by a specific structure. Every text has a type of structure. And there are five main text structures that you're going to learn about in fourth, fifth, probably sixth, and seventh grade. And they are these: description, sequence, compare and contrast, cause and effect, problem, and solution. And every passage will have one of these structures that the main part of the story is going to follow. Now, you may have a passage that is compare and contrast, and they might have some sequencing in there. But if the overall structure is compare and contrast, then that's what we would consider the text structure for that. Some passages have a problem that needs to be solved. We would call that problem and solution. Or maybe the passage is simply to give you characteristics or examples or describe something. That would be your description. Of course, compare and contrast is when you're looking at things that are the same and things that are different. So you already read the passage, The Amazing Penguin Rescue. So what I want you to think about now is, what do you think the text structure of this passage is? Now, there might be some clues on this paper. So this is what I gave you to take a look at. These are what we call signal words. So if you're not exactly sure what the text structure of something might be, you can take a peek at these signal words in each of these. This is a graphic organizer that is outlining example signal words that you might see for each of these. So using these signal words and rereading the passage again, or skimming and scanning, I want you to see if you can determine what you believe the text structure is of The Amazing Penguin Rescue, and then tell me why you chose that.